Alright, what's up guys? So today I just made $2,000 trading NASDAQ. As you guys can see, it's not even 10 a.m. yet. Took me 10 minutes. So far so good this week. All wins, not a single loss yet. Yesterday we didn't have a video because I didn't take the trade. So I'm not gonna make a video if I didn't take a trade and I didn't lose. So yeah, the trade did end up playing out yesterday. I just didn't take it. Here you guys can see I just passed my 100k combine today. And yeah, before I start, if you guys don't mind subscribing, would mean a lot for me. And if you guys want to join the free Telegram, right there, you guys can see we're winning in there. And yeah, let's start. So I'll do a recap on today, and I can do a quick one yesterday. All right, let's check it out. Basically we filled in this gap right there. So anyway, do your analysis and everything, but we filled in this gap and I was waiting for retracement so I can enter, but at the same time we filled in Asia low right there. So as you can see, we filled in the gap but ended up rejecting all the way below this. So from there I should have just entered, and regardless my stop loss is wide enough that it covers this, but I didn't. And as you guys can see, yesterday was pretty nice. So yeah, the strategy works very nicely, but yeah, I didn't take it. So today we have pretty bad news. So it's not an ideal market to trade, but we made it happen. Okay, we have FOMC tomorrow, we have unemployment claim, so we need to be very careful. But yeah, so let's get into it. Like always, we mark up the sessions, then we, sorry guys, it's still pretty early. Then we mark up the gaps. So we had this 4 hour, then nothing else. Go on the 1 hour, we had this right there, and adjust everything else. Perfect. So from there you go on the 5 minute, we adjust our gaps. This stays the same, and this, like I said, you put it like that and right there. Why right there? Why not right there? Because before 9 we can see that price tapped in this gap and rejected, so it's right there. And remember guys, we need to adjust on the 5 minute to refine it, the gap. So yeah, anyway, from there, wow, the news are pretty bad. Anyway, from there, 9:10 I entered right away, no need for confirmations, because as we can see the gaps rejecting right away. If we had candles in between, then yeah, I'll need confirmations. From there I entered. I know we're gonna sweep one of the 2 sessions before we get a move. We end up, so I entered at 9:10. By 9:25 I got my profit, and yeah, that was pretty much it. As we can see, it ended up sweeping Asia high and then dropping again, and then bunch of moves. So pretty much, if you didn't catch this at 9:10, everything else was pretty bad. So yeah, that was nice trading day. So yeah, as of tomorrow we can start locking in, trying to get some payout. Not trying, I will get some payout. And now we're on trading view and everything. It's gonna be nicer. Took me about 4 days to pass this 100k, so that's nice. What else? And yeah, I'll just need to follow my rules. That's the only thing. It's that's stopping me out from improving. And yeah, that's about it. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.